Welcome to the Bamboo Invest. Let's get into the video.
Most people are not failing because they lack dreams, talent, or ambition. They are failing because they are trapped in survival mode and do not even realize it. Survival mode is when your entire financial life revolves around paying bills, avoiding emergencies, and making it to the next month without falling behind. When you live this way long enough, stress becomes normal, and dreaming starts to feel unrealistic instead of exciting. You may work hard, stay busy, and remain responsible, yet still feel like nothing is moving forward because survival mode keeps you reacting, not planning. In survival mode, your energy is spent putting out fires, not building something that lasts. This is why so many people have big dreams, but no real progress, because dreams without financial strategy remain emotional, not executable. Dreaming feels productive, but dreaming without structure creates frustration instead of freedom. A dream without a financial plan is like a destination without a map. It feels inspiring, but you never actually arrive. Survival mode teaches short-term thinking, while ownership requires long-term vision, patience, and discipline. Ownership is not just about assets or businesses, it is about control over your choices, your time, and your future. The uncomfortable truth is that motivation alone will never move you out of survival mode. Motivation fades when pressure rises, but systems continue working even when you feel tired, stressed, or uncertain. A financial strategy is not motivation, it is a system that gives direction to your effort. Many people believe that earning more money will solve their problems, but income without strategy only increases spending and expectations. That is why people with higher salaries often feel just as stressed as before, only at a more expensive level. Survival mode does not end when income increases, it ends when behavior changes. The shift begins when you stop asking how much you can spend and start asking how much control you are building. Ownership thinking focuses on stability, leverage, and time, while survival thinking focuses on urgency and relief. Fear pushes people to chase shortcuts, delay investing, and avoid long-term planning. A financial strategy reduces fear by replacing uncertainty with clarity. It tells your money where to go before emotions decide for you. It protects your future self from short-term comfort that quietly steals long-term freedom. Most people believe strategy is complicated, but simplicity is usually what works best. Consistently saving, investing patiently, and avoiding unnecessary lifestyle inflation may feel boring, but boring decisions build ownership. Survival mode wants immediate relief. Ownership accepts delayed rewards. This is why the early years of building wealth feel unrewarding, because you are planting seeds, not harvesting results. Without a strategy, progress feels invisible, but with strategy, progress becomes measurable and predictable. Dreams do not fail because they are unrealistic. They fail because daily financial actions do not support them. You cannot outdream poor money habits, and you cannot outwork a lack of direction. Ownership begins quietly, through small, disciplined choices that do not look impressive at first. Choosing to invest before upgrading lifestyle is ownership. Choosing stability over comparison is ownership. Choosing long-term peace over short-term pleasure is ownership. Survival mode tells you to wait for the perfect moment, but ownership understands that starting imperfectly is better than waiting endlessly. Time is the most valuable asset you own, and every year without a strategy makes the journey harder than it needs to be. The goal is not to escape work overnight, but to slowly reduce dependence on stress-driven income. Ownership is freedom built quietly, not loudly. It is the ability to pause, choose, and say no without panic. Financial strategy does not remove struggle instantly, but it gives struggle direction and purpose. It transforms sacrifice into investment and effort into progress. The moment your dream is supported by a financial strategy, it stops being a wish and starts becoming a plan. You stop hoping for change and start designing it. Survival mode ends when intention meets structure. Ownership begins when you decide your future deserves planning, not just dreaming. And if you remember only one thing from this, remember this: dreams do not die from lack of passion, they die from lack of strategy.
Don't forget to hit subscribe, smash that like button, and drop a comment below.